Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video I am showing you the new feature I have recently added into my Insta DATA Scraper, and this is scrap tweets from any Twitter X profile. So now you're also able to extract the data from Twitter profile, and with the passage of time we can add further features. So let me open this. In this video I have already I wanna type in the URLs of profile. I've select new NVIDIA newsroom. This is the great fantastic profile. So let me open this once more time, and I'm showing you before scraping the data. uh, yes, it contains 20 to 47 posts, and it's a NVIDIA newsroom. It shows the latest development of NVIDIA. They have built one of the fantastic GPU system and products for AI softwares and for gaming. No doubt to say, NVIDIA is a benchmark in the AI industry. So hope for the best and good. We scrape data, and the second thing is we're gonna scroll. How many times I'm gonna scroll down? So for the video purpose I've only select five means the number of time it scroll the data or scroll down the web page screen, and then it will extract data. And keep in mind, the most important thing, note, it will only scrap tweets, not hashtags or keywords. Exclude latest tweets, capture text data only. So you can only extract text data. So I'm pressing the running button, and now you see it starts scraping. The scraping process begins. It open the web browser. Yes. You see it's scroll down the screen and extracting, collecting the data, and inshallah within a few seconds or minutes you can scrape, you can find huge amount of data from any X profile. Well, many people are asking me that it can scrap latest tweet. No, it cannot, because to scrap latest tweet it was login captcha, and the security on Twitter was very high. So you are not able to run bots on X without any permission, without any paid APIs like N8N or Zapier. And inshallah in future I will also integrate some N8N and Zapier functions into my this web app. But now for this you can extract data from X profiles or Twitter profiles. So the data is successfully is completed, the files, tweets data and XLS. Okay, now I'm gonna open the dashboard, and you will see this recent file appears, scrap data. I can view this file as a table. Now you can see the account URL and username, tweet text, hashtags. No hashtags were detected. Yes, it's an organization and corporate sector tweet, so they usually don't post any hashtag. And now their replies, repost, likes, bookmarks, and number of views. So yes, we can do a lot of this kind of data. And this is the Excel file, and here is the JSON file. Okay, so this is the JSON file, and you can also download the data. Don't worry, the data will never remove anywhere. You can go to the directory structure of the software. Like for example, I've been here, and these are the files. I have removed this kind of feature. I never want to remove reset file to 0 whenever the users start the application. So you can also download this, download whatever you want to download in an Excel format or you want to download in a JSON format. So it is up to you, and both of the fantastically the files are downloaded, and you can later use it for sentimental analysis or whatever you want to do. This is the downloaded file. So overall, this in this video you can extract information. The number of times, the more you can do the scroller, the more you can extract data. But keep in mind, the X have very serious policies. You can only scrap 300 tweets, 500 tweets with your basic account, and you cannot scrap more than that. So keep in mind. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. So thank you very much.